Hey, welcome back to the video. In the previous video, we saw about how we can denormalize the data by getting the columns of other table into one single table. So now our data is ready. The table is have all the required details as we already imported from other table. And in this specific video, we are going to create some more columns and we are going to create the required measures and we will do analysis by visualizing the data. So here I have the quantity column and price column, like price per pizza. What I will do is I want one total value column, like total price of that pizza. If the pizza quantity is more, the price will be quantity into per unit price. So what I will do, I will create one new column. It's very simple. So just we need to give the column name. So I will use 07 pizza price. Pizza price, let's say, yeah, pizza price is enough. Then what I will do, I will just multiply that quantity. So quantity from order details into this price. Okay, price per pizza. So if I multiply, I will get the total value of that pizza sale. Okay, I created this one. Next, what I will do is I will create a measure of this total value of this pizza. So if you want to get to know about the measure and the column, so measure is basically aggregated value stores in some place. So it will be calculated automatically based on the where we put that measure. So column is very clear that it will store the value in each row of the column, but measure is not like that. It's aggregated value. It will be evaluated at the time of the execution. Like if you put that in front of some filter, it will act differently, and if you put that in some of the segregated value of categorical value, it will act differently. So each time it will evaluate it and it will get the value. So measures like that. So I need one measure, that is total sale. So total sales amount I can say. So I will create one more measure as 08 total sale. Let's say total sales. So this is the summation of what the total value I have, like total this sum price. Okay, this pizza price I need, and I will create that measure. Yeah, measure is successfully created. Then what else I needed? Let's say I want a count of the order, means how many orders are placed. I will create one more measure as let's say count. Let's do the count of the order. Let's say 09 order counts. Okay, here what I will do is I will count the order details ID from order details table. Order details ID, where is that? Yeah, order details ID. It will give the sum of the all the row of the column, all the row of this table, and by using this measure I can visualize some data, like how many orders are placed. If I put that in front of some category, like a category of pizza, I will get the how many orders are placed for this category. So that comparison I can do. Then what else I need? I need a total quantity ordered. So for that I have to create one more column, one more measure. So let's see. Yeah. So what I will do, I will create one more measure, that total quantity. Let's say total quantity. So total quantity is just a summation of the quantity column. So we already have the quantity in order details. So if I sum this, I will get the total number of pizza ordered. So these are the three measures we created. One is this pizza total price, total sales, then order count, like how many orders are placed, then number of pizzas, this total quantity. So this is done. Then so we are straightly going to visualize the data, whatever data we measures we created. So first I will do time series data analysis because we have this order date. So for time series we can use this line chart. So if I use line chart, in x-axis I will put this order date. So order date, in order date I have the hierarchical data like day, month, quarter, year. Then in y-axis I will take the sales, total sales. Okay. So this is a measure I'm taking in y-axis, but when I put it over here, what it will do is it will categorize. Like based on the in front of which I place this, it will categorize that and it will give the result. So see, for Jan it will showing the sales for Jan, and next for Feb, March, like that. It will categorize over here. So if I drill up, it will categorize for this one. So this is a use of measure. It will calculate automatically based on the condition or requirement. So this is my sales amount and I will drill this up. So if I drill this up, it will show the value for quarter. And if I expand all one level down hierarchy, it will shows data for this month level. So this is my total sales amount. So then I will copy and create one more measure, one more visual that will show the number of order placed. So I created one more measure, that is order count. If I place that over here, so this will show the number of orders placed in each month, like in October, Jan, Feb, March, like that. So this is my order count. Then one more I can create as a number of pizzas order. I will take the same visual. So I will take the same visual, but I will change the measure over here. That is, I have one more measure, total quantity. So this is the total number of pizzas ordered in each month. So in these three, I can see the number of orders. In this first visual, I can see the total sales amount of each month. And in the second, I can see the number of orders in each month. And in the third, I can see the number of pizzas ordered in each month. So these three, I can see the trends in a time series of uh, 2015 sales. Then okay, the next I will do some analysis of categorical level. So let's, for example, I will take this bar chart, column chart I will take. Then I will do the visualization over here. So here we can do drill down approach. Like if I use this total sales in y-axis, and what I will do is I will do categorical analysis. So if I take the pizza category in y-axis, I can see the sales of pizza categories in different sales of the pizzas in a different categories. So what I will do, I will implement the legend over here, data label, and I can see this, and I will just increase the size, okay, value size. So I will just increase so that it can visible and bold it. Yeah. So here I am seeing the total value of the sales in different category. For the same x-axis, I can put one more level like pizza name. I can put pizza name and as well as size of the pizza. So now I have the option to drill up and drill down. So what is basically is, so here we have in drill down, and here we have three options. So if I on this, click to on this, I can just click in the chart and I can drill down. Another option is go to the next level. Okay, this is go to the next level means right, currently it is in the pizza category level. If I click here, it will bring that to the next level like pizza name level, and to the next level it will take to the size level. So it's a combination of all the things. It's not segregated by this pizza name. It's just a number of size, based on size it is categorizing. One more thing is, here I have the expand using the hierarchy. Like if I click here, it will categorize based on this category. So it will show like for in chicken category I have this many pizzas, in classic I have this many pizzas, and in supreme I have this many pizzas. So these are the three variable of various method of a drill down approach. So based on our requirement, based on the analysis you want to do, we can use this. So this is very best and very useful a method or useful feature of the Power BI. We can use to analyze our data in a better way. We can use as much as categories or segregation segments we needed. So in this way we can analyze our data, and if you want to add any details to this tooltip, you can just so for example, I want to see the quantity of orders. I already have the measure of order count. I can just put in the tooltips, then it will show in our chart also. Like if I hover my cursor over here, it will show the number of orders like 14,579 and total sales. So based on our requirement, we can add all the field. And if you want to customize our chart, you can go here and we can do all the customization, and what all the visualization customization you want, you can do that. And if you want to add the title for that, and you have to go to general and put the title for your chart. So in this video we just understood about how we can create a column. It's a simple column, and how we created a measure like total sales, and how it works in our visualization. We did a time series analysis of the sales, order count, and pizza total unit, and we did one drill down also. Like here in the one single visual we can do analysis of the many categorical pizza. Then if I click over here, it will drill down for the next level by using, in the chicken category we have this much pizzas, and in each if I click over one down level down, it will show the large number of pizza, medium and small. So this is the way we can do analysis in Power BI. So this is about this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.